Hello everybody and welcome. Today we are going to be drawing an image like this, but on your own in Illustrator. Now we're going to be thinking about lines and repetition throughout this assignment, and we're also going to get familiar with our pen tool. So to get started, we need to set up our document. So first things first, let's download your file by clicking here. And once it loads up in Schoology, we're going to click this download arrow here. And then once it downloads right down here, let's go ahead and drag that right to our desktop. Now, once we have our file saved on our desktop, we need to open it in Illustrator. So to do this, we're going to hold Control on our keyboard and click on our file here. We're going to get this menu that pops up, and we're going to go and hover over Open With and down to Adobe Illustrator. Now, before we get started, we want to be sure that we have our tools selected and set up properly. So the first thing you want to do is select your pen tool, which looks like this. You can also get to your pen tool by pressing P on your keyboard. Once you press P on your keyboard, you'll have your tool that looks something like this. You want to be sure that your stroke is black and that you have a 1-point font or 1-point line here. And then what we're going to do too is click on our fill, and let's turn our fill off. So we don't want to have any fill. So that way you have no fill, a black stroke, and a 1-point font with your pen tool. And now we're ready to get started.